thanks for joining me aboard Qantas Flight 3 from Sydney to Honolulu in Hawaii. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any exterior shots of the aircraft from the terminal, so this is a picture of the same aircraft arriving in Sydney 2 days earlier. The aircraft operating QF3 was late arriving from Santiago and was further delayed while it was cleaned and air conditioned, after the cabin had become overly hot while it was parked on the tarmac. Qantas took a long time to provide this explanation to passengers, but after a delay of about 75 minutes, boarding began. Delivered to Qantas in 2003, the aircraft was 15 years old at the time of this flight. Qantas plans to retire all of its 747s by the end of next year. They are being replaced by Dreamliners. Seating in the main economy cabin is in a 3-4-3 arrangement. Although the Queen of the Skies is showing her age, the seating was still surprisingly comfortable. What's your favourite long-haul aircraft to fly in? Leave your answer in the comments below.
Make requirements and we can't close until everyone is taken. Thank you. So what is cabin crew, please arm the doors and cross-check.
8:30 basically.
Just ask the crew. They're here to help you, so follow their instructions at all times. Have a great flight. Thank you for choosing Qantas, the spirit of Australia.
Unusually, tonight's flight is using Kingsford Smith Airport's cross runway 25 rather than one of the two parallel north-south runways, presumably because of wind direction. We circled north over Sydney Harbour before heading out over the Pacific. There was a technical problem with the entertainment system, so it had to be rebooted. There were 3 meal choices in economy. I went for the southern style beef with wild rice, corn, capsicum, zucchini and red onion. It was served with garlic bread and eaten mess for dessert. I chose a Jacobs Creek sparkling white to drink. The flight time from Sydney to Honolulu is about 9 hours, depending on wind. This was sunrise as we edged closer to Hawaii. That's a banana and raspberry loaf, which accompanied breakfast. I chose the spinach and herb frittata with pork sausage, tomato relish and potato. It was also served with yogurt and granola. The other option for breakfast was a fruit plate. We've now begun our descent towards Daniel K. Inouye International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the USA, serving more than 21 million passengers each year. Did you know Honolulu is the most remote major city in the world? It's about 3,800 kilometres to the nearest major city, San Francisco in California. We arrived in Honolulu about 1 hour behind schedule.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the United States of America. The local time in Honolulu is 25 minutes past 9, and today is still Sunday the 15th of September. With your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until the captain has switched on the seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is handy, you may now deactivate flight mode. Please take care when opening overhead lockers as bags may have moved and could fall out. Remember to check your seat and seat pockets at personal belongings. Once the seatbelt sign is on, please use forward left-hand doors. Just a reminder, smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted unless there's a designated smoking area in the terminal. Once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched on. On behalf of the Qantas team and One World, I'd like to thank you for flying with us. If you're visiting Honolulu, we hope you enjoy your stay, and of course, for those returning, welcome home. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we need you to remain seated with seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched on. Thank you.
Overall, this was a really enjoyable and comfortable flight. Both the food and service were very good.
See ya.
See ya.
See you later.
See ya.
hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when my next trip report on a Hawaiian Airlines 717 is uploaded. Until then, aloha!